Welcome to our tutorial on how to prevent camera access on Snapchat for Android devices. If you're concerned about your privacy and want to restrict the app from accessing your camera, follow these simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. This can usually be found in your app drawer or by swiping down from the top of your screen and selecting the gear icon. Next, navigate to Applications and search for the Snapchat application. Once you've found it, select it to access the app settings. Now, select Permissions within the Snapchat app settings. Here, you'll see a list of permissions that the app has access to. Look for the camera permission and ensure that it is enabled. To prevent Snapchat from using your camera, simply select the option that says Don't Allow. This will revoke the app's access to your device's camera, keeping your privacy intact. By following these steps, you can easily prevent Snapchat from accessing your camera on your Android device. Take control of your privacy and enjoy using the app without worrying about your camera being accessed without your consent. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to protect your privacy online.